The Big Ten network is available through specific Xfinity cable packages and streaming options, not over the air. To access BTN, you'll need to upgrade from base packages. The higher tiers like Choice TV with sports and entertainment, Popular TV, or Ultimate TV include BTN in most areas. Check BTN availability by visiting Xfinity's website or app and entering your zip code. BTN's channel number varies by region, but is often found around 439 for standard definition or 1439 for high definition. You can also stream BTN through the Xfinity Stream app or Peacock with a premium plan if you have a qualifying Xfinity TV subscription, offering flexibility between cable and online viewing. First, confirm BTN's availability in your area on Xfinity's site. Visit Xfinity's website and enter your zip code to check BTN availability and channel number. Upgrade your Xfinity package via their website, app, or by calling customer service. For streaming, Peacock Premium allows you to watch some BTN games live. Keep in mind that the Big Ten Conference's expansion has increased BTN's content, and streaming rights are becoming more prevalent, potentially reducing cable dependency over time. Xfinity integrates BTN into its Flex platform, allowing access without a full cable package, and supports HD and 4K where available. Cord cutting is driving more viewers to streaming, so Xfinity is adapting by blending cable and online access to BTN content. Channel numbers can change if you move, so rescan your cable box to update.